Is your PC running slower than a snail on a Monday morning? You're not alone. Most of the time, it's not because your computer is too old. It's because it's being held hostage by common performance killers that are easy to fix. Today, we're going to tackle the 10 biggest culprits slowing your PC down. I'll show you exactly how to fix each one so you can get your speed back. First, let's talk about startup programs. When you turn on your computer, dozens of unnecessary apps might be launching in the background, eating up your memory before you even open a browser. The fix is simple. Open your task manager, head to the Startup tab, and disable anything you don't need right away. This alone can slash your boot time in half. Next is low disk space. A nearly full drive doesn't just limit storage, it slows everything down. Your operating system needs breathing room to swap files and run efficiently. Use built-in tools like Disk Cleanup or Storage Sense to remove junk files. Remove large files you rarely use to an external drive or cloud storage. Then we have outdated software and drivers. Old drivers can cause compatibility issues, crashes, and performance drops. Go to your device manager or manufacturer's website to check for updates and make sure Windows Update is running regularly. This applies not just to the OS, but also to graphics drivers, network drivers, and even your BIOS. Fourth on the list, background processes and bloatware. Many pre-installed apps or programs you installed months ago still run silently, using CPU and RAM. Uninstall anything you don't use and keep an eye on your task manager for programs hogging resources. Number 5 is malware or viruses. Even lightweight malicious software can slow your PC to a crawl. Always run regular scans with a reputable antivirus or Windows Defender, and don't skip updates for your security software. Prevention is always cheaper and faster than repair. The 6th performance killer is overheating. When your PC runs too hot, it throttles performance to protect itself. Check your fans, clean out dust with compressed air, and make sure airflow isn't blocked. For laptops, a cooling pad can help keep temperatures under control. 7th, fragmented or unoptimized storage can drag your system down. While modern SSDs don't need traditional defragmentation, they still benefit from optimization tools. For HDDs, defragmenting can make a noticeable difference. Use Windows' built-in optimized drives tool to keep everything running smoothly. Number 8 is too many browser tabs and extensions. Modern browsers can be memory hogs, especially with dozens of tabs open. Let's bookmark pages you need instead of keeping them open forever, and disable or remove extensions you rarely use. The 9th issue is insufficient RAM. If you're running heavy apps like video editors, design tools, or even dozens of browser tabs, 4 GB or 8 GB may not cut it. Upgrading to more RAM is one of the easiest and most cost-effective hardware upgrades you can make. And finally, a messy desktop. It might sound silly, but storing hundreds of files and shortcuts on your desktop can slow down startup and file indexing. Keep your desktop clean and use folders to organize your files elsewhere. Fixing even a few of these performance killers can make your computer feel brand new again. Instead of rushing to buy a new machine, try these solutions first. You might be surprised at how much speed you can reclaim. Your PC will thank you, and so will your productivity. Please like and subscribe if you like our channel and want to see more of our content. Cheers!